chronic inflammation is a kind of an exaggeration of a normal process. You actually need to be able to mount an inflammatory response to certain types of challenges, which could be an infectious agent or a tissue injury. And under those circumstances, the acute inflammatory response is part of your defense, it's part of the healing process. It's very complex. There's lots of feed-forward loops, feedback loops. You need to drive it to a certain level and you need to pull it back. And if those mechanisms become out of balance, which is what happens if you have too many 6s, omega-6s and not enough 3s, the inflammatory response goes on for far longer than it should. Actually, it can go on for years. And when that happens, instead of being healing, it actually becomes destructive. I mean, it's a bit like what happens when you start a fire in the hearth in your living room. You want the fire to be warm enough to heat the room, but you don't want to burn the house down. If you're eating the wrong kind of diet, you've got the wrong 6-to-3 balance, and you don't have enough polyphenols, and you're eating a processed food diet, then under those circumstances, you're going to have chronic inflammation, which is going to lead to the progressive destruction of healthy tissue, which will go on for years until it comes to the surface as a chronic degenerative disease. That's how they're linked together.